Software Security Awareness from Security Innovation is part of our e-learning awareness curriculum, and it's a 100-level course that technical and non-technical personnel in any organization can benefit from. Every organization uses software of some type to power their business, so it's critical that employees of any organization understand how software works, how it's developed, and the risks associated with software that isn't developed or configured securely. This course will teach students what a secure lifecycle approach looks like for software development, what your organization can do to withstand malicious attacks on software applications, and how you can address software security in your everyday role. After setting objectives, you'll learn how to identify which assets within your organization are attractive to potential attackers, like intellectual property, customer data, and financial information. This is all exploitable when software applications are not developed securely. You'll learn more about what security is generally, how it's defined within an organization, and what the goals of security are, as described in the CIA Triad, which outlines confidentiality, integrity, and availability as the core pillars of security. These goals will serve as the foundation for how you'll start to learn more about software security more specifically, and how to start taking a risk management approach to software security. Managing risk is critical for all organizations, not just organizations who are producing software to commercialize. This course is relevant to organizations who are concerned with understanding more about effectively managing the risk that comes with using any software product, whether being used internally or developed by a third party. This course will also provide students with an overview of the software development lifecycle, commonly referred to as the SDL or SDLC, as a recommended best practices approach to help articulate how software is developed, and how building security into that process dramatically improves overall security. Part of this process is learning approaches like the STRIDE model, which help organizations clearly identify and define threats. STRIDE encompasses spoofing, tampering, repudiation, information disclosure, denial of service, and elevation of privilege as the core categories of threats to plan for. Software Security Awareness incorporates interactive tests and surveys throughout the course that will help you map out a risk-centric approach to your role relative to software security. As you wrap up the course, you'll have improved your overall knowledge of managing threats that might impact your organization as a result of failing to prioritize security within the SDLC. You'll also see additional resources that will help you continue to broaden your own knowledge base. Contact your SI sales representative today at getsecure@securityinnovation.com for a consultation on what curriculum makes sense for you.